Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we are covering the portion of computer science HTML basics. So in the previous video we have already seen of computer science that how to what is an HTML and the full form of HTML and what are its uses. So today we will be learning about much more in detail about what HTML syntax looks like and what are the different tags that you can use in HTML and which are the elements of HTML and all the things in a go. Let's start the video. So the first thing is HTML basic. So what is a syntax of So the first thing is HTML basic. So what is a syntax of HTML? We have to see. So always the tags are put in this kind of angular bracket, and most of the tags have a closing tag like HTML. Here it starts and it is ending with a slash HTML. So this is the basic syntax, and then looks like this is the body of the document and what you have to put inside the document that you have to write after this. And here we can see h1 is a tag and p is a tag. So what is the use of both of them? H1, it has a closing tag slash h1, and the other thing is for body, this is the closing tag for body. So everything ends with a slash and the same name of the starting tag. So that is how it is used. Now you can see for P you need not use a tag, ending tag or closing tag, because without that it works. Some tags work without a closing tag. So for H1, the meaning of H1 is used for the heading. So how you use it in your program, so how the heading should appear, that will be there. We will see it in a practical. And P stands for the paragraph. So we can see in detail what these tags means and how we can use them. So this is the basic syntax of your HTML. Now let's see HTML headings. So already we have seen here, if you see this thing, H1, it's used for heading. Now we are going to see what are the different headings that we can use for and what difference they make and which are the available heading tags available with us. So if you see, we have basically H1 to H6. Everything have a closing tag as well. So that means H1 is there, H2 is there, then H3 is there, H4 is there, H5, and you have H6 as well. So difference we can see practically. So these are the tags. So H1 stands for the most important tag, and H6 stands for the least important. So if you want to write something very important, put it with the heading H1, and if you want to make it less bolder, you can make it use the tag H6 or any of these available after H1. Okay, so let's check out the practical of this one. So for that we can go to w3schools.com and we can check the detail there. So here we can see heading is there. Now we can try it all by ourselves from the online editor. So you try it yourself, you can see, click there. So if you see, this is the syntax written for your practical, where different headings are written with H1 as the starting tag and here it is ending. So heading 1 comes under H1 tag. So if you see here, heading 1 has the most important, that means it is the biggest one. After that heading 2 is put inside H2, so the size reduces a bit. So if you come to H6, the size reduces so much. So this is the heading 6. So whatever you put for any document here, that will be your output. So we can change it and also check some of the information, like if I want to, I'm going to use only 3 tags, only H3, H1 and H6. So we can see the difference. So whatever content you want to write here, you can write under H1. So I'm writing hello, and then I'm writing how are you, then I'm giving I am fine. So these are the content I want to display. Hello, how are you? And I'm fine. So you can see here HTML document is here, an ending tag is here, body, and an ending of the body tag. So whatever content you want to display for the document, put it inside body document, body tag. Now let's check, run the program and check it. So run it. Now you can see hello is displayed in one heading, how are you is displayed in another type of heading, and I am fine is displayed in third type of heading. It is all because of this H1, H3 and H6 respectively. So I hope you understood what is the difference between all of them. And to make your document look better, reduce the space between all this information. Okay, hope you understood this. And this is an online editor. Already I have shown you in the previous video of HTML how to execute a program using your browser, and how to write the program, and then how to execute it. Please check it in the previous video. The link will be given somewhere here. Please check it. Next topic is HTML element. So HTML element is everything from the starting tag to the ending tag. Okay, so from here to here you have all the elements, from here to here you have all the elements, and then within each tag you have got some content. Okay, this is known as element of your HTML, which consists of tags, and inside tags you have attributes also. Okay, we will see them in detail later. Next one is HTML paragraphs. So if you see here, you can see a tag with the name P. It is known as paragraph, and what it does is a paragraph starts on a new line and browser adds some white space before and after the paragraph. So some white space will be there. We can check it practically how it works. So let's see. Let's try it from w3schools.com for paragraph. Click here, try it yourself. You can see this is the code written for paragraph, and all the paragraphs are displayed like this. So this is a paragraph is written here. Every paragraph is displayed in this way. Okay, if you want to write some content from a paragraph, like an essay or something, you can add this P document in front of P tag in front of the document, and it changes the meaning. Like we can add so let's check this example where I have written a topic formation inside body tag. Then some paragraph is given with the P tag of your paragraph. Okay, so for paragraph we are using this P. Now everything is written here. You can see paragraph is here, and as I told you, paragraph doesn't need an closing tag. If you use it, that's fine. If you don't use it also, it's fine. So this again I have used another one paragraph tag here and end it. Okay, so this one doesn't have an ending tag, so that doesn't matter. Now this is how it is put. So before bending, the word bending, this P is used. So what happens from here? Paragraph starts. Let's run the program and see. So this is the output of your program or your HTML program, where you can see formation, the word appears as such, then comes the rainbow till bending, everything will be displayed as a paragraph. Then after bending, another paragraph starts, where bending is the first word and it ends with this colors. Okay, this is how the paragraph works. And if I put it with H1, H3, okay, so what will happen? The same thing will be written in that H3 heading text. Okay, this is how it works. So hope you understood this, how this paragraph and heading works. Next, we are going to learn about some of the formatting tag, some other formatting tags. So which are they? Let's check. This helps in creating documents with when you want the information in some format. Okay, so first one we can see it is center. It has a closing tag center again. So what it does, it helps in aligning the text to your center. Okay, you have left alignment, right alignment, so center helps in aligning it to the center. Then BR helps to put a line break. It helps to put a line break. Then comes bold. Okay, it doesn't need, BR doesn't need a closing tag, whereas bold needs a closing tag. Okay, this is for bold. Next one is U, which helps to create text with underline. You can write, you can put a text and then it gets underlined because of this tag. So if you have a word, any word in between a sentence, just before the word use this tag, closing and ending tag, and put the words in between this two tags, so that the result will be displayed with an underlined document. Okay, the word will be getting underlined. And then comes italics. The text will be displayed in italics font. Okay, so these are the basic formatting tags that you can use in your document. Next comes applying multiple tags. So applying multiple tags means in the same document or in the same set of information, you can substitute multiple tags. Like in the previous example, we have used H3 also, and also we have used paragraph also. So we are using multiple tags, not only one tag. So example would be paragraph, then comes line break, then comes underline, and wherever the tag needs to be closed, close it. And for P, you can close it if you need, otherwise that's fine. Okay, hope you understood how to use these tags, and let's see one example from your textbook. Okay, so next topic of our textbook is inserting text in a web page from 24.3. That means how you are going to insert a text in your document. Okay, so let's check what is that needed to be created. So you need to put all this information in your document. So what you have to do for this, you can use an underline U while writing it. Then this is, write this with a separate bold tag. Then you can separate this using P. Here you can use a paragraph, change of paragraph while writing this. You can use here bold. Okay, then you can use here an underline for both economics and political science. Then comes italics here. These are all written in italics, so you can use the starting and ending tag of italics. Okay, so all these things can be implemented in this particular document. So check it out and try it. The example is given here. So the video is completed. Hope you understood, and if you have doubts, please do comment and subscribe to the channel, like, share to your friends. Thank you for watching.